This video will explain how to securely install an Atom without the use of a username and password, but instead with a temporary Atom installer token. Log into the Atomsphere platform and navigate to Manage and select Atom Management. From here, select New, then select Atom. For the purposes of this video, we will assume that you have already downloaded the appropriate installer. Select the Security Options dropdown. Here, you will be presented with the option to generate a temporary Atom installer token. You can specify the length of time that the token is valid for, anytime between 30 minutes to 24 hours. For the purposes of this video, we will select 30 minutes. Select Generate Token. An Atom installer token is generated and is now available to copy and use. Copy the token. On the user information page in the Atom Setup Wizard, select Token. Paste the token that you copied and proceed through the Atom Setup Wizard. This concludes how to securely install an Atom without the use of a username and password, but instead with a temporary Atom installer token.